If your voice tight like this, that nothing is coming out, even after opening it, have to keep pressing it, like something is holding you, something is restricting you from actually singing or using your voice to the best of its ability. The truth is that if you don't understand vocal anatomy, you will always have your voice talk. So you really need to understand the parts of your body that contribute to your voice production so that you can have a good vocal production and have a free voice. If you stay with me to the end of this video, you're going to learn how to have a free voice, and you're going to learn how not to stay stuck anymore with your voice. Now, before you get started, I have a free vocal clarity starter kit for you that you can be doing every day. It's going to be the first starting point that will help you to actually activate your voice and use it to the best of its abilities. See, some singers, they face pain because of they don't understand their voice and the organs that help in voice production. They don't understand their vocal anatomy. And not just that they don't understand it, they don't know how to apply it to get to the best, to get to use their voice in the best way possible. And this makes them to have vocal fatigue. That is, they get tired easily when they sing, they get cracks, and even sometimes when they sing, there's a lot of tension. When they sing high notes, the high notes are shaky. Their sound is generic, and it's really other. So if this is you, please don't change the down. Just stay down and let me help you to sing your voice. What actually is going on in your throat is that we have your larynx here. Feel it, press there, and do hold. You feel a vibration here. Now, there is something we call the vocal folds. I'm going to place it on the screen. Now, you can see the vocal folds because air escapes from these vocal folds and there causes a vibration which leads to the sound that you hear. So, there is also another organ called the false vocal fold. Now, these false vocal folds actually help to protect the true vocal folds. When you want to scream, it is actually the vestibular cords that are actually coming together to constrict and make those sounds. Now, some people, instead of them to use their vocal folds, they go straight to their false vocal folds and use it often to the extent that they don't even neutralize their vocal folds. And they close their vocal folds and allow their vocal folds to be able to produce the best sound possible. So, as a singer, you would have to learn how to sing and produce the sound through your true vocal folds. Imagine if you have a guitar, and that guitar, one of the strings is very tight. If that string is very stiff, no matter how you press on the string, you will not get it to sound out. So if your vocal folds are tightened and the false one is the one helping you, you will not be able to sing to your true perfection. You will not be able to sing with your true voice. I'm going to show you how to actually activate your true vocal folds so that you can be able to sing well and have your true vocal folds vibrate. So try and open your mouth like this. Then close it. No, I don't want let feel the pulse. You feel a pulse. Do you feel vibrations? Now from there say hello. 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 mellow, then you sing. You're broken down and tired, living life on a merry-go-round. Do you feel any tightness anymore? No, you won't. Because now you've been able to allow the vocal folds to do its work, and there's no tightness on your false vocal folds. One of our students was having this challenge, and every time she sings, she feels strained, frustrated, and devastated. But when she attended our program, she began to sing with ease. Each time she was to sing, all she needed to do was to make sure that the vocal folds are opening and closing perfectly, and not the false vocal folds is causing any constriction or squeezing her voice from becoming the best. This is just one part of what you will learn in our Find Your Voice program, where we help singers be able to reconnect with themselves, reconnect with their true self, and then sing with the true voice that is uniquely yours. So to get started, try and get our free vocal clarity starter kit. And in that starter kit, you get a chance to call one of our coaches to be able to help you with your voice challenges and take you to the next step to build your vocal confidence. If you want to learn about what you can be doing every morning to increase your voice, then you need to check out this next video.